One goal, one destiny.
This goes out to daredevils and groundbreakers. Stand your ground, thrill seeking and get wasted. Leaps of faith, gotta take it to the extreme. This is no holds barred, we